Hi, I'm Czar Horton, Senior SFG, and this is Andrea Yushi Chang, SFG Team Leader. Today we're going to bring you a drill from the Instructor's Toolbox. I need a stick. Thank you. Many times when someone's performing a hinge, you'll see this. A rounded back. Okay. The drill we're about to show you is something that we found to be very effective many times with many students. I'm going to give Andrea the stick and I'm going to ask her to place the stick behind her, cradled in the elbows across the back, and have her place her hands in the inguinal crease. Please perform some hinges. As you can see already, her back is starting to straighten out. The stick serves as a gentle reminder, in position, to keep the spine straight. Another helpful cue for this drill is to instruct the student to have the stick feel as light as possible against their back while performing the hinge movement. This is one of the many drills, tips, and cues from the Instructor's Toolbox.